So handsome, the ever so talented. Jai Bhai, welcome to Amchi Mumbai.
Thank you so much.
इस capacity में how does it feel? Of course, film आने वाली है इतनी बड़ी और सब लोग बहुत excited है. What do you have to say?
Firstly, very good evening to everyone. Amir sir, thank you so much for coming. I'm not someone who believes in sentiments too much, but I draw a parallel to, I remember the film I did with Sai Pallavi, Love Story. Amir sir had watched the trailer and he had messaged me saying, wow, what a lovely trailer. Can I come for the event that we were having in 2 days from there? And I said, sir, it's all planned. Chiranjeevi Garu is the chief guest and all that. He said, no, I'm coming. I just want to come and enjoy the event. So he came there. He gave us so much positivity. And the film turned out to becoming a huge success for both of us. And now again, we're here with a film that Pallavi and I are doing. Tandel and Amir sir is here to launch the trailer. It's such a magical moment for me. Sir, if this film works, which we all have the confidence that it will work on Feb 7th, I'll have to call you for every trailer release that Pallavi and I do. So I'm sorry, I'll have to ask you. And also the 6 months, the brief period I spent with Amir sir during Lal Singh had left such a huge positive impact on me. I learned so much from him, both as an actor and as a human being. And I think till date and for many, many days to come, that influence will play a huge role in my life. Thank you, sir. And coming to Tandel, when Chandu told me the idea, like Arvind sir said, in a very documentary kind of form, I was so excited as an actor. Which actor won't be? I mean, this film has so much of span. We're going from this village, Srikakulam, to Gujarat, all the way to Pakistan, and there's a beautiful love story. So we decided to start the journey. The script wasn't ready by then. We decided to start the journey, and we went to Srikakulam to meet all the fishermen and to learn about their lives and to learn about their challenges. And that's when I realized what a big challenge this film is going to be for me. Because listening to their stories, their experiences out in sea, they're out in sea for almost 8 months in a year, and there's no connect to reality. They don't have any sort of cell phone communication or whatsoever. Listening to all these challenges really grounded me and really inspired me as an actor because these are the real heroes and their stories have to be told. And very rarely do we get such inspiration from real moments to tell stories. So I think it's a huge opportunity for me, and I'm really blessed as an actor to be able to be a part of this film. And as Arvind Garu said, firstly, I should thank him for trusting me because when he saw me before the transformation, I looked nothing like this and I was very far from how these people look. So it took me about a year almost to do the physical and the mental transformation, learn the slang and all that. But in spite of that, before all that, he decided to put a lot of money into this film. More than I think he didn't look at the math or how much market I have or Chandu's market or none of that. He just trusted the story and went into the film. My third film, 100% Love with Arvind Garu, and that film really shaped my career back then. And I'm really hoping and trusting, and I'm very sure that this film will also shape my career in a very different way and give me a positive direction. So thank you, Arvind Garu. Thank you, Chandu, for trusting me. This is our third film together. Every film, Chandu's presented me in a new style, and he's always looked out for me. Thank you so much. And Rockstar DSP for your lovely music. I think music plays a very, very important role in love stories. And from the first song that we've released, Bujitali, it's been a chart buster to Namo Namah Shivaya and Hailaso Hailasa. And it's given this film a very, very different color, and it's given this film so much exposure. The music has taken the film places even before the release. So thank you so much, Devi. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you for all the energy. And yes, we miss Pallavi today. Pallavi is such a powerhouse of talent. She brings so much energy and she complements every actor and every technician in so many ways. So really glad to be working with her. And of course, thank you to the Mumbai media and the viewers for encouraging our films and our stories over here. Looking forward to you all enjoying the film on Feb 7th, and also like to wish the team of Love Yapa all the very best because Advait is very close to me. I've spent some time with Junaid. Very good friends. So wishing them all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, of course.